I'm Scott.
And I'm Justin.
And guess what?
We living for love.
And today we are living for love in the Flamingo Premium Room. We have never stayed at the Flamingo before. We decided we needed to try it out.
Yeah, and actually I was pretty surprised.
The Flamingo is a place that it seems like the reputation is you get the room so you can leave the room. You know, it's just a place to crash.
Let's talk about the pros and the cons.
The pros and the cons.
Pros, cons.
Well, hello. Welcome to the Flamingo Premium Room. I'm going to give you a little tour. So we're going to start off with the bathroom. So here we have our shower.
There's one thing that I wish it did have, and that's a bathtub.
Yeah, it definitely, that would have been really cool to have a bathtub, and that's kind of the biggest con for the bathroom. Other than that, you know, it's bright. It has a sleek and modern look. It looks great. There's also a little vanity mirror here on the wall. And take a look at that ambient lighting. I love the way that it hits that backsplash. Beautiful. And that's one thing that's amazing about all of it is the textures.
I love the colors, the black, magenta, gray tones. It makes it feel super sleek, modern, and that's one of the other pros. It has, you know, such a modern aesthetic.
The walls are all this wonderful texture. We also have a little seating area over here. 2 chairs and a little, sort of like a dining nook. Over here, we have a 65-inch television.
Huge TVs.
Yeah, like a 65-inch and a 55-inch TV, so both of them are huge. And then another seating area for watching that television.
Furniture is great.
Yeah, absolutely. Like this curved couch is really interesting and kind of like a nice focal point of the room. The bedroom area is over here. So we got the bed. As again, Justin says.
Now that's a nice bed.
Yeah, very comfortable.
I was surprised with that also. I did have to do a double stack on pillows, but I do have like lots of room right here to shore up. So that's
hashtag broad shoulder problems.
That's a personal issue. But
where the magic happens. But look at this. Isn't this just a beautiful hutch? Lovely little art piece as well. Just like an accent piece. A mini fridge down below that I'm going to tear out. Trying to open the wrong side. And look at that headboard. Isn't this room just beautiful?
Justin's pressing thoughts. Justin's pressing thoughts. Justin's pressing thoughts. Ooh, you saw how I did that?
That was amazing.
Here at the Flamingo, they also have a sunbeam.
One of the three
brands.
Of the 3 brands.
I do like the, oh my god, the like chrome finish lining and the light color, like the clear.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a pretty iron, right?
Look at this iron. It has been dropped one too many times.
There we go. Take a look at that.
It's been
Lovers of
dropped
life.
on the carpet. So I think other than the wear and tear on this iron, it would have been a great iron, but that's the steam. Great steam, huh?
Oh, that's the spray.
It doesn't even spray.
Can I also point out, this is, I guess, Scott's board thoughts. So, the ironing board, like literally
Fell
that
apart.
topper came off. You can see it right there. It's not on even all that well. The foam element fell out. Like we had to reassemble the top of it even to do our little segment that got ruined by that iron.
That's Justin's pressing thoughts.
Last thing, we will go ahead and finish off by showing the spectacular, terrible view. We were on the literally lowest floor of rooms. So, not pleasing to the eye.
So what I've noticed with hotels that have add-ons throughout the years, the decades, the views become obstructed by something. So basically what we have is a view of the roof, and if you guys know, like older hotels, they don't go above and beyond trying to make sure that, you know, air conditioning units are contained, old rust stains and things like that. But hey, if you're coming to Vegas and you don't need that view, you're just here to turn up.
Yep.
This is the room for you.
Well, and that's why
The view for you.
The view for you. And that's why they market them in a specific way. This one is the, you know, Flamingo high roller view. This one is the Flamingo strip view, and you pay for that privilege.
Yes. So it's all about what you want.
The rest of the room is actually really, really lovely, so we'll be keeping the curtains closed. What the fuck was that?
Art.